Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna unbox this new CMF phone 1 by Nothing. I ordered it from the Flipkart. It is an open box delivery, and due to rain it was wet. Let's unbox this. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First let's unbox this. You can see this is the CMF Phone 1 by Nothing, and you can see its box. Let's open it, and its color is black, and it also has color black, blue and light green and orange also. I have ordered this 6 GB and 128 GB. Let's open this. You can see, and its back side it is nothing there, you can see, and front side. Let's open this first, and this is, you can see, this is the phone. Let's keep it aside. And what's in the box? Let's open this tray. You can see it comes with the type C lead, charger, a manual. You can see, you can read this, and a SIM tray. And friends, it is a SIM tool, SIM ejector tool. And you can see this quality of its lead is very good. You can see this. Its quality is very good. Let's open. It is a type C to type C, you can see. Let's start this mobile phone. Friends, let's open this. First you have to just pull it out like this, and friends, you can see it is a matte finish. Its build quality is very good, and you can see it is black in color. And you can see it has a very unique design that I have ever made, and it has 6 GB and 128 GB of RAM. And you can see this processor comes with Dimensity 7300 5G smartphone, octa-core 2.5 GHz. And you can see its camera also. It is a 50 megapixel camera and 2 megapixel of back camera. And you can see this front camera, it comes with 16 megapixel. You can see it's loading also, and it has a high 5000 mAh of battery. You can see you have to just select the language and click on this red, insert a valid India SIM card. Then you have to insert a SIM card. Friends, if this comes when you just start your Nothing smartphone, insert a valid Indian SIM card, and there is no skip option. First you have to insert your SIM like this. First you have to open this SIM card tray. You have to just pull it out like this. And friends, you can see its tray. It comes with the SIM 1 and SIM 2 slot, and it comes with a SD card also. You can insert a SD card with 2 GB of extendable storage also. You can see. Let's insert this into mobile phone, and it's done, and it is processing. You can see SIM card authentication successful. Then you have to connect any of the network like this, and then you have to click on connect, and it is connected successfully. Friends, it's come with 1 year of manufacturing warranty, and you can see it is saying copy apps and data. Then click on don't copy, If you want to just copy and paste, just click on next, and it is checking information. And its ratings are very good. You have to just skip this first, and then we have to just check its camera quality and its battery. You have to just enable this, click on accept, and its display, you can see it is a 6.67 inch AMOLED rigid LTPS display. And if you want to just select, you have to select the browser, then click on Google and click on next, and here you have to set a pin, and you can choose also screen lock patterns like this. Click on next like this, and set up a fingerprint lock. You have to just skip this, show all notification, just click on done, press on OK, and it's getting your phones ready. Click on agree terms and conditions. You have to enable it, and you have to enable the system navigation. Go back, skip this first, and you can see nothing is started. In the box it comes with headset, type C charger cable, SIM tray ejector, safety information, and warranty card. You have to just next, choose your visual style, then click on finish setup, and now it is setup is finished. You can see its build quality is very good. You can see. Let's open the camera first. You can see, friends, you can see its camera quality is very good. You have to just click on this 5.2 meter. You can see its zoom also, its blur, its back, and its focus is on this speaker. You can click on HDR also like this. Click on the settings. You can see this settings button, and here you can see the quality also, 12 megapixel or 50 megapixel. You can see its camera is very good. Friends, let's check its video quality also. Click on video, and you can see you have to just zoom it like this and click on this quality button and change the resolution by, it comes with 4K resolutions. I have to just see this, and friends, you can see its picture quality. Its picture quality is very good. It is in 4K, and it comes with 60 F rate and 4K video. Let's click some pictures. And friends, you can see it is very clear picture. Let's check it front camera. Friends, you can see its picture quality is very good. It is very clear. Let's check its sound also. First we have to just open this settings, and here you can see sound and vibration. Click on phone ringtone. You can see, friends, you can see its vibrations, and overall phone is very good. You can see this. You can see its sound quality is very good. You can purchase it from the Flipkart or Amazon. I have put this link on my description, and you can purchase it from there. And you can see its Android version also. Let's check it from the settings. Just click on system and just click on about phone. Friends, you can see all the details from here. It is Nothing OS 2.6.0, and its processor, its camera, storage, battery, and it comes with Android 14 version. You can see, and let's check. It's click on see all, and here you can see all the details of the phone. I hope you like this unboxing. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.